Good morning to all. Welcome to AP Samagra Shiksha Vijayanagaram online classes. I am A. Sridevi working as English teacher KGBV Vepada Vijayanagaram district. Good morning children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and safe. Students, stay home, stay safe. In previous class, we learnt 9th class unit 1. A reading The Snake and the Mirror, B reading The Duck and the Kangaroo, and C reading Little Bobby. Grammar and vocabulary also over. Today we discuss about letter writing. Definition of letter writing. Letter is a written message. Letter is a written communication. We write a letter to person who are far away from us. We want to convey our message to them in a clear and forceful manner. Next, what is a letter? What is a letter writing? The exchange of written or printed communication. Writing letters is considered to be an easy thing to do, but very few write really good letters. A good letter should follow all the rules of good conversation and good composition. Letter components. The writer's address, the date, the insert address for the recipient, a salutation, the body of the letter, a complimentary clause, the writer's sign, typed names. Next, how many types of letter? There is two types of letters, formal letter and informal letter. Informal letters written in decent language. Formal letters also called official letters. Formal letters written to official and business associates. Formal letters include official letters, business letters. Letters of applications, letters to editors of newspapers, letters of complaints, etc. Informal letters. Informal letters also called personal letters. Informal letters written to friends, relatives, and members of our family. Next, format of the letter. What is the format of the letter? This is the format of letter. Three types: indented or traditional, blocked, fully blocked. Indented or traditional format, blocked format, and fully blocked. There is indented and traditional format. Place, date. From sender's address to receiver's address, greetings or salutation, subject, reference, body of the letter, leave taking, signature. Next, blocked format. Date, from sender's address to receiver's address, greeting or salutation, subject, reference, body of the letter, leave taking, signature. This is the formats. Fully blocked format. This is this type of format, fully blocked format. From sender's address, date, to receiver's address, greeting, salutation, subject, reference, body of the letter, leave taking, signature. Many of us used fully blocked format to write a letter. Next, parts of a letter. How many parts of a letter? There is a letter consists of 5 parts. First one, heading. Second one, greeting or salutation. Third one, body of the letter. Fourth one, subscription. Fifth one, superscription. This is 5 parts of letter. Once again, first one, heading. Second one, greeting or salutation. Third one, body of the letter. Fourth one, subscription. Fifth one, superscription. First one, heading. Heading comes with sender's address, date, receiver's address. There is sender's address, sender's name, house number, street name, town name, like this. Next, date. 7 December 2020 or December 7, 2020. 7th December 2020 not written. అలా రాయకూడదు. 7-12-2020 అలా కూడా రాయకూడదు. 7/12/2020 ఇలా కూడా రాయకూడదు. పైన చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా, 7 December 2020 or December 7, 2020. This is the right. Next, receiver's address. The editor, The Hindu, Visakhapatnam, the principal, Government Junior College, Visakhapatnam. Second one, greeting or salutation. In official letters, sir, madam. Sir or madam, if you don't know the receiver's gender, we write sir or madam. Business letter, dear sir, dear madam, dear sir or dear madam. If you don't know receiver's gender, we write in letter dear sir or madam. In informal letters, greeting or salutation, we wrote blood relations, my dear father, my dear mother, my dear sister or brother. Informal letter friends, dear Sahiti, my dear Sahiti, close friends, like this. Subject. Example, request for 2 days leave, details regarding online coaching, complaint about bad condition of roads. Reference. Letters of job applications, response to advertisements, official communication. Example, the advertisement in the Hindu dated on 7/12/2020. Proceedings of the collector, Visakhapatnam. No need of subject and reference for informal letters. మనం ఇన్ఫార్మల్ లెటర్స్ రాసేటప్పుడు సబ్జెక్టు రిఫరెన్స్ మనం రాయనక్కర్లేదు. మనం ఓన్లీ అఫీషియల్ లెటర్ ఆర్ ఫార్మల్ లెటర్ రాసినప్పుడు మాత్రం సబ్జెక్టు రిఫరెన్సు రాయాలి. నెక్స్ట్, బాడీ ఆఫ్ ద లెటర్. టిప్స్. First one, beginning, introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter in brief. Second point, main content, give details of the matter. Third one, ending, conclude by mentioning what you expect. Body of letter starting లో మనల్ని మనం ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసుకోవాలి బ్రీఫ్గా. సెకండ్ పాయింట్, సెకండ్ పారాగ్రాఫ్లో మనం మెయిన్ కంటెంట్ ఏదైతే మనం ఎందుకు లెటర్ రాస్తున్నామో, ఏదైతే చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నామో దానిని మనం డీటెయిల్డ్గా చెప్పగలగాలి. థర్డ్, ఇంకా లెటర్ ఎండింగ్కి వచ్చేసరికి మనం చెప్పాల్సిందే కన్క్లూడ్ బై మెన్షనింగ్ వాట్ యూ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్. మనం ఏదైతే అనుకున్నామో అవన్నీ కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పాం లేదు ఒకసారి చూసుకోవాలి. కన్క్లూజన్. ఇన్ ఫార్మల్ లెటర్స్, థ్యాంకింగ్ యూ sir, hoping to be favored with any early reply. In informal letters, conclusion, with best wishes, with love, with kind regards, convey my best regards to your parents, like this. Next, fourth part, subscription. Subscription, leave taking or complimentary clause. To officials, businessman, yours faithfully. The principal or headmaster or teacher, yours obediently. To strangers, yours truly. To blood relations, yours lovingly, yours affectionately. To friends, yours sincerely or yours lovingly. Apostrophe should not be used with yours in the subscription. In official letters, subscription, in subscription, we wrote yours faithfully and yours obediently. In informal letters, to blood relations, we wrote subscription yours lovingly or yours affectionately. To friends, yours sincerely or yours lovingly. Apostrophe should not be used with yours in the subscription. Should not be used. Fifth one is superscription. Address on the envelope to S.N. Sastry, 12-151, Lecturers Colony, Chipurpalli, Vizianagaram District, 535-128. This is the format and format of the letter writing, parts of the letter writing. Next, we write a letter to editor. Next, first the heading, Vijayawada, 28th January 2020. Next, salutation to the editor, The Hindu, Vijayawada. From address, door number 26-129, Rajiv Nagar, Vijayawada. This is the only model of formal letter. There is subject. It's high time we control reckless driving. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to bring the problem of increasing number of road accidents in the city. Accidents are common in big cities. We daily hear of road accidents and wrote about them in newspapers. Such accidents often result in loss of life and material. These are caused by the carelessness of the drivers and their negligence of the traffic rules. At present, accidents have become so common that they don't look strange. Last evening, I happened to witness a tragic road accident. A man on a two-wheeler was knocked down by a speeding car. The driver of the car was driving it at an abnormal speed. Though the man on the two-wheeler tried to move aside, he was knocked down within the fraction of a second. The man was seriously wounded. He was taken to a nearby hospital. Luckily, the victim was declared out of danger. One of the major causes of road accident is speed driving. It is high time the authorities took serious steps to stop reckless driving. If some urgent steps are not taken, it is going to affect the life of the public very badly in the coming days. I shall be grateful if you kindly publicize his matter so that the traffic authorities beef up the security of the people and take strong measure against the reckless drivers. Thanking you. Yours truly. This is the one model of formal letter. There is a few tips about letter writing. Important points to remember. Everything begin and remains to the left hand side. Keep the language simple. When we write a letter, we use simple language. Do not make the letter longer than necessary. Be very careful with punctuation and salutations. Do not divert from the topic given to you. Next. అందరూ లెటర్ రైటింగ్ నేర్చుకున్నారు కదమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు అసైన్మెంట్ ఫర్ యూ. వాట్ ఈస్ ది అసైన్మెంట్? Write a letter to your friend describing the annual sports day function of your school. Or write a letter to your parents requesting them for letting you go with your friend on an educational tour. These two letters are informal letters. Okay? అలా అందరూ ఈ హోంవర్క్ని మీరు చేయాలి అసైన్మెంట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ డైరీ ఎంట్రీ. What is diary writing? What is the format of diary writing? Example of diary writing. What is a diary? Diary is a thoughts or feelings. Diary is our thoughts or feelings. What happened each day? Reflect, create, dream. What is a diary entry? Diary entry is a section of writing. Diary entry is organized by date. Diary entry is wrote to 100 to 150 words. డైరీ ఎంట్రీ ఎలా ఉండాలి అంటే క్రియేటివ్గా ఉండాలి అండ్ థాట్ఫుల్గా ఉండాలి. మనం రోజు పడుకొని లేచిన తర్వాత మన జీవితంలో ఆ రోజు ఏమైతే ముఖ్యమైన విషయాలు జరిగాయో అవన్నీ కూడా ఒకసారి మనం గుర్తు చేసుకుంటూ నైట్ పడుకునే ముందు మనం రాసుకునే దాన్ని డైరీ ఎంట్రీ అంటారు. ప్రతిరోజు దాన్ని రాసుకోవడం అలవాటు చేసుకుంటే చాలా మంచిది. What is the format of diary entry? First, date, day, time, salutation, dear diary, like that. Heading, optional, పెట్టచ్చు లేకపోవచ్చు. Body of the diary entry, name, signature. This is the format of diary entry. Example. You are Meena Sharma. You recently had a chance to encounter an old school friend in the marketplace. Record your feelings about it in the diary. This is the question. There is the answer. 15th January 2021, Friday, 10 p.m. Dear diary. An encounter with my old friend. There is body of the diary. Today was a day full of surprise. Only my feelings. I met my old friend Anita after many years. I chanced upon her at the Star Bazaar where I had gone to pick up groceries for the next week. As I paid my bill, I saw a familiar looking face staring at me with curiosity. Suddenly, it dawned seamlessly on both of us that each of us was staring at a long lost dear friend. Our joy knew no bounds as we rushed towards each other. A wave of nostalgia swept over us as we recalled our bygone days over a cup of coffee. How beautiful were those school days, full of fun, laughter, and mischief. Time stood still as we walked down the memory lane hand in hand. We parted after promising to remain in touch with each other. I will never forget the surprise meetup in my whole life. This is the body of the diary entry. Next, signature. A few tips for diary entry. Start with date on the top left. Time can be written either on the top right or the next line below the day and date. Second point, start with dear diary. Third one, write in first person pronoun. Fourth one, express your feelings of relief, despair, happiness, sadness or anxiety, etc. related to each event situation. Fifth one is you can use statements, exclamations and questions. Sixth one is expressions can be informal or formal. Divide the whole content into paragraphs. 3 paragraphs per page looks better. Do not draw any box around the diary entry. If name of the writer is mentioned in the question paper, mention the same name at the end of the diary entry. If name is not mentioned in question paper, then write name like this, signature like this. Write 2 sides of the answer sheet. Now, one model for diary entry. Question: we already learnt 9th class unit 1b reading The Duck and the Kangaroo. Here there is a question. The duck requested to kangaroo to take him for a ride, but the kangaroo refused as he was afraid that he would catch cold and rheumatism. If he carried the duck with his web feet, the duck planned to wear socks and a cloak and to smoke a cigar to keep the cold away. Finally, the kangaroo agreed and took him for a ride. This is the question. Now, imagine that you are the kangaroo and write an diary entry in the diary describing your happiness on satisfying the wish of your friend. This diary entry only my feelings. Sunday, 10th January 2020, 10 p.m. Dear Diary, I felt very happy and satisfied today. I could fulfill the long-standing wish of my friend Duck. For a very long time, Duck has been asking me for a ride. He wants to ride sitting on my tail to the Jelly Belly. He said that I was very skillful hopper. Then he asked me to take him for a ride, telling that he was bored living in the pond all the time. But I know I could not take him. I fear that if I am close to him, I may get rheumatism because of his cold and wet feet. My poor friend got disappointed, but he did not give up. Sitting on a rock, he thought about it for a long time and came to a conclusion. He bought 4 pairs of frosted socks that fit his web feet perfectly. He bought a clock to keep off the cold. He decided to smoke cigar every day. With all these precautions, he came to me once again. This time I could not say no. So one day I took him for a ride on my tail. I took him for 3 rounds. As I instructed him, he sat at the end of my tail without moving. He enjoyed a lot all through the journey. His face was bright with happiness after the rounds. I felt very happy that I could satisfy the wish of my dear friend. From now onwards, I will take him on a round once in every week. Now I am not worried of his cold, wet feet. Since he wears socks, it is no more a problem to me. Poor fellow, he takes a lot of care and preparations for the journey, so I should not disappoint him. Moreover, now I am happy that I have a friend to come with me. Really, a journey is more enjoyable in the company of a friend. I did not realize this until I had my journey with the duck. I will write more about the journey after my next trip. Till then, bye, kangaroo. This is the one of the model of diary entry. స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరికీ హౌ టు రైట్ లెటర్ రైటింగ్, హౌ టు రైట్ డైరీ ఎంట్రీ అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. వన్స్ అగైన్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు ఏపీ సమగ్ర శిక్ష విజయనగరం. థ్యాంక్ యూ టు ఆల్.